Hi everyone, I want to read the book that the title is From Development as Democracy to Innovation as Development. Current local, regional, and global economic and financial conditions and trends make the need to trigger, catalyze, and accelerate high quantity and quality entrepreneurial initiatives that are based on high quality and quantity innovations. Given the uncertainty and change inherent in the innovation process, management must develop skills and understanding of the process and method for managing the disruption. Technology changes the way society functions. The dramatic advances in the technology over recent decades have collaterally precipitated wide-sweeping and profound change to the functioning of almost every form of human exchange the world over. Income inequality in the USA has been growing since the late 1970 centuries, but easy credit and rising assets price had allowed American households to increase financial leverage to finance consumption. Now, an increasing number of academics and intellectuals recognize that the growing income inequality is one of the key aspects behind the financial crash. The first step in understanding how the income redistribution can lead to innovation and help an economy move from a stagnant state into a new sustainable economic growth path is to understand how long-term trends in rising and falling income inequality affect the market environment that firms must survive in. In the late 20th and the beginning of the 21st century, numerous scholars and practitioners such as Peter Drucker have identified knowledge as perhaps the sixth and most important key input and output factor of economic activity. Developed and developing economics alike face increased resource scarcity and competitive rivalry. Science and technology increasingly appear as a main source of competitive and sustainable advantage for nations and regions alike. However, the key determinant of the efficiency is the quality and quantity of entrepreneurship enable innovation that unlocks and captures the pecuniary benefits of the science enterprise in the form of private, public, or hybrid goods. Public health awareness and new public-private research centers founded partly by bio-entrepreneur millionaires and manias levied as taxes on bio-ventures. Entrepreneurship and innovation are human endeavors and socio-economic phenomena that are intrinsic to human nature as well as constitute both social and political engines of positive change and growth, provided that they are balanced and guided by effective and transparent regulatory and incentive system in place. Current local, regional, and global economic and financial conditions and trends make the need to trigger, catalyze, and accelerate high quantity and quality entrepreneurial initiatives that are based on high quality and quantity innovations. Low tech, medium tech, and high tech. Even more clear and present, as this is one of the major ways and means to target and achieve real, sustainable, and eventually accelerating GNP growth. Such growth is much more likely to come from new and qualitative different and superior initiative rather than restructuring existing industries. It may be strategically more prudent to invest scarce and precious resources in carefully calculated strategic bets rather than keep throwing them after waning industrial sectors and declining firms. And in the sense, it may be best to provide aggressive socio-economic retraining, reinsertion, and early retirement programs to allow for real growth strategy to be implemented. Moreover, we believe that the concepts of robust competitiveness and sustainable entrepreneurship are pillars of a regime called democratic capitalism, where real opportunities for education and economic prosperity are available to all and especially the younger people. This would be the direct derivative of a collection of top-down policies as well as bottom-up initiatives, including strong R&D policies and funding, but going beyond that to the development of innovation networks and knowledge clusters across regions and sectors. We define sustainable entrepreneurship as the creation of viable, profitable, and scalable firms. Such firms engender the information of self-replicating and mutually enhancing innovation networks and knowledge clusters, leading towards robust competitiveness.